This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to train Gemini on your own data. We'll start by understanding the fundamental concepts of fine-tuning, then move into preparing your unique dataset. Next, we'll cover selecting the right Gemini model for your specific task. Finally, we'll discuss how to effectively evaluate and iterate on your newly trained model to achieve the best results. Data preparation is crucial for successful model training. You'll need to format your information into distinct input-output pairs, ensuring each example is clear and consistent. It's also vital to maintain high data quality throughout. Remember to split your dataset into training, validation, and test sets, typically using an 80 to 10 to 10 ratio to properly assess performance. Once your data is ready, select a base Gemini model that aligns with your project's needs. Next, you'll define key training parameters, such as the learning rate and number of epochs, which significantly impact performance. It's important to use a robust training environment. Throughout this process, carefully monitor the training progress to identify and address any potential issues early on. After training, thoroughly evaluate your model's performance using appropriate metrics to ensure it meets your objectives. If needed, iterate by refining your data or adjusting training parameters to achieve better results. Once satisfied, deploy your fine-tuned Gemini model for practical application. Continuous monitoring in real-world scenarios is essential to maintain optimal performance and address any emerging challenges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.